Honorable ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, I would like to address you all in response to the events in the north of Kosovo and the most recent discussions on how to approach de-escalation. At our last meeting in Brussels, a week ago, in response to a table proposing de-escalatory steps by Mr. Josep Borrell, Vice President of the European Commission and High Representative of the European Union for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy, I made the following proposal with concrete steps on what Kosovo is ready to do and what would expect from Serbia in return. The Republic of Kosovo is keen to contribute to de-escalation. We believe that urgent action should be taken towards this aim, and we are eager and ready to commit to concrete steps that support the goals of de-escalation and stability in the region. More specifically, the steps we deem necessary and are ready to commit to are the following. First, decrease Kosovo police presence in and around municipal buildings gradually in proportion to reduction in violence. Second, provide full access and monitoring by EULEX and interested human rights NGOs of judicial proceedings in relation to perpetrators of violence. Third, organize early elections in the 4 northern municipalities when triggered by a recall petition supported by at least 20% of the electorate, as foreseen by the Kosovo law. Election date is to be set following a confirmation of having met the recall requirements by the President. Fourth, instruct subsequently the 4 mayors in question to hand over their authority to the newly elected mayors after certification by the Central Election Commission in accordance with Kosovo's law. Meanwhile, from Serbia, we expect the following. First, withdraw violent protesters from the municipal buildings and surrounding areas. Second, pledge to cooperate in detention and judicial proceeding of offenders by Kosovo with EULEX monitoring and full due process guarantees. Third, reduce readiness of the armed forces to a low level, no new troop movements, and removal of 48 forward operating bases situated along the border. Fourth, refrain from impeding or